Hello and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time visiting my channel, you are welcome. And if you find this video helpful at the end, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. That will serve as a motivating factor that will motivate me to keep on uploading videos of this nature. So I don't know, have you come across this message, in the process of trying to install a software on your system? This app has been blocked for your protection. An administrator has blocked you from running this app. For more information, contact the administrator. So in my own case, I came across this issue when I was trying to install the Oracle database application. So, but at the end, I was able to fix this problem. So that is why it would be of a great help for me to show you guys how to do this, so that you will be, free of stress. I was stressed really because I needed that application to work on a particular project. So I was stressed, but at the end of it, I was able to get it fixed. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Very straightforward, and it works 100%. So after watching this video, you will be fine, and you'll be good to go. So let's get into it. So what you should do is you can see here, type here to search. I will look for registry editor. So type regedit, REGEDIT, regedit. Then you can see it here. Mine says registry editor. Yours might say regedit. Right click there, run as administrator, and a message will pop up. Then grant an access. Then we are here. So I already done this, but I will do it again so that you will follow me along as I walk you through. So come here. You will see HKey local machine. Just open that HKey local machine. Then look for software directory. Open that software directory. Then look for Microsoft directory. Microsoft directory. Here we go. Microsoft directory. Then look for Windows directory. Scroll down. Windows directory. Let's see, where is that? So Windows directory, open it, and look for current version directory. So here we have current version directory. Then look for policies. Policies. Here we go, policies. Then click on system. Just click. Then look for enable LUA. Enable LUA. Double click. This will come up. Just change that value data to 0 and click OK. Then this message will pop up. You must restart your computer to turn off user account control. So that is what you should do next. Go ahead and restart your system, and you are good to go. You are good to go. You can now, go ahead with the installation of the application. And I think it is advisable for you to, reverse the method after the application must have been installed. So what you should do is let's go back and see. Let me show you what you should do next after installing the application. So it's better you reverse the process again, and you'll be good to go. So here we are. You go to regedit, then right click and run as admin, grant the permission. Then here again we have HKey local machine. Open, go to software directory, open it, then go to Microsoft directory, Microsoft. So we have it here. Then go to Windows directory, Windows directory. Let's see Windows directory. Then from Windows directory, go to current version. Then from current version, go to policies. We have policies here. From policies, click on system, then look for enable LUA, then change it to 1, and you are good to go. So that is it. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button, and please, after making the changes, try to restart your system and you are good to go. Then thank you and God bless.